Welcome to my story, it's a Kiwi A to Z. I'm Joey, the Rowie, now come and follow me. I was only discovered in 1994. I'm Joey, the Rowie, rarest Kiwi of them all. Apteryx Rowie, that's my scientific name. Ocarito Brown, Kiwi or just Rowie, all the same. Born and bred on the west coast, Ocarito's where I chill. Bashing through the bush with my big bad bill. Cousins in my crew that make the Kiwi family. Little spotted, great spotted, Toko, Eka, Brown and me. Deadly dangers that we deal with that could decimate us. Zoos are a heap of hungry critters eating us and all our food. Eggs are rescued from the wild to keep them alive. Operation Nest Egg Rangers helping us to survive. Franz Joseph is the hood where our eggs are taken to. At the West Coast Wildlife Centre you can even take a view. Go and have a gander at our cool nocturnal house. When you go inside you must be quiet like a mouse. Hatching from our eggs 80 days after they are laid, we emerge into this world fully fledged and ready made. Kiwi, Kiwi, you know you can't see me in the night. Out of sight with a super sense of sound. Kiwi, Kiwi, you know you wanna be me, run around on the ground, fluffy, fat and round. Incubation took forever and it really makes us cross. That it's the longest that we know of, equal by the albatross. Juvenile chicks are then transferred into the pens. It's a kind of Kiwi creche where we can make some friends. Kiwi cat's delicious and expands our little tummies. When Kiwi Rangers feed us, they like to wear some gummies. Lowest metabolic rate of any bird means we can go for longer before we need it. Motuara is a place where we do our big OE. Running wild on the island, that's our Rowie sanctuary. Nocturnal nighttime creatures on the forest floor we dwell. External nostrils on our noses for a heightened sense of smell. Operation Nest Egg Rangers are vital to our species. They can even tell if we're unwell by looking through our feces. Probing with our bills is how we like to find our dinner. Grab some bugs and tasty berries, prevent us getting thinner. Kiwi, Kiwi, you know you can't see me in the night. Out of sight with a super sense of sound. Kiwi, Kiwi, you know you wanna be me, run around on the ground, fluffy, fat and round. We kept running, growing stronger, faster and meaner. Solid bones will take us home where we will be no wiener. Release back to the bush, cause we have grown so big. We're so happy to be chilling in our Ocarito crib. Stoats say now can't harm us, and like when we were chicks, if they attack we will fight back, cause we as hard as bricks. Transmitters on our toes are the latest Kiwi bling, so rangers can locate us as they listen for the bing. Unique in many ways is my special Kiwi clan, an icon of our nation, everybody is our fan. Very highly threatened, only 400 we think, like the moa, you know we don't wanna go extinct. Wings, yes we do have them with a tiny little claw. We can flap these things all day, but stay rooted to the floor. X-ray pictures show the next egg ready any day. The size it is inside its mom will make you say no way. You can help us Kiwi, here's something you can do. Just follow all the links at the end to see what's new. New Zealand is our country, way out here on our own. It's the place that all us Kiwis love to call our home. Kiwi, Kiwi, you know you can't see me in the night. Out of sight with the super sense of sound. Kiwi, Kiwi, you know you wanna be me, run around on the ground, so fluffy, fat and round.